Hi, I am your teacher, Miss Linton, and I will be teaching about math today.
I'm so excited, guys. I'm just so excited in math class. It's my favorite class.
Math is like so lame.
And then you take 130 times z plus 56 times y, which would equal a bunch of numbers in the alphabet.
Tell me more. Miss Linton, tell me about your cat.
Well, Mr. Wigglepants today left me a little surprise in my cereal box. It just poured right on out into the bowl. Tasted fine with milk, though.
I don't understand this math. It's really hard. Someone's at the door.
Welcome to my class.
I'm the new teacher. We don't use paper in math room. There's too much math on this board. That's better. Today we're going to learn about conjunctions and disjunctions the fun way. A conjunction is when you use and. So 1.3 is less than or equal to x is greater than or equal to 5. So it's when the x is in the middle. A disjunction is when you use or. So t is greater than or equal to 0, or t is less than 2. Willie, would you like to draw the
Yeah, what? Sounds like fun.
Okay, you're going to put it on a line.
Is this how I draw a line?
Yes, that's how you draw a line. Now you put 2 arrows at the end. That's good. Now you're going to put 3 and 5 on your number line.
3, 5.
Good job. So now you'll put 2 closed circles because it's equal to also.
Okay.
So x is greater than 3.
Okay, so it's going this way, right?
And less than or equal to 5.
Oh.
So it's in the middle.
Thank you, other teacher who just came into our class.
Tell me more. How about instead of asking questions, you come up and do it yourself?
Okay.
Now you're going to do what Willie did with a number line. Can you draw a number line? Stop. Draw a number line. Like this, right here, next to this one. That's great. Now you're going to put 0 and 2 on your number line. Put 2 open circles on 0 and 2. Now for 0, because it's an or statement, so it's not going to be in between them, t is greater than 0. T is greater than 0. So you're going to go this way, starting here. Okay, now with t is less than 2. So now you'll start here and go down all the way. What would the answer be?
All reals.
Yeah. Now we're going to learn about absolute value. Absolute value are these lines. 2t plus 5 is less than 3. So absolute value is the distance of these numbers from 0. So if you have this, you would put 2t plus 5 is less than 3, or 2t plus 5 is less than negative 3. And then you would solve that. Willie, would you like to come up and solve this one?
Okay, so how do I do this?
So now you would subtract 5
Okay, so 2t
is less than...
negative 2.
Yes.
Oh,
Because you
and then
would-
t is less than negative 1.
Yes, you solve it
Wow.
like a normal equation.
Woo!
That was
Sophia,
easy.
Can you do this one?
Yeah, I can do this.
So she's subtracting 5.
Negative 8 is greater than 2t. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. T is less than negative 4. Yeah, man.
Whoa, good job.
Totally rad, dude.
Math is fun when you have a lot of friends. Friends, 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 friends.
You're doing that.
You gotta do your homework.